I want to talk about something that's been coming up a lot in my coaching sessions lately. Opening your heart after being hurt isn't easy. I know because I've been there, and I've guided thousands of women through this exact journey. Today, I'm sharing 5 specific steps that will help you find love again, even if you think you're not ready. These aren't just feel-good tips. They're practical steps that have worked for my clients time and time again. And ladies, I'm not going to tell you to just get back out there or forget about the past. We're going deeper than that. Let's start with step 1, the reality check. Here's what nobody tells you about healing. There's no magic timeline. One of my clients kept beating herself up because she should be over it by now. Sound familiar? The truth is, healing isn't linear. Let me share something I see all the time in my coaching practice. Women trying to rush their healing because they're afraid of being left behind. But here's what actually works. Understanding that your healing journey is unique to you. Now, let's move to step 2, the self-love foundation. Ladies, this isn't about bubble baths and face masks. I'm talking about real, deep self-trust. You know that voice in your head that keeps comparing you to your ex's new partner? We need to address that first. Here's a quick exercise I give my clients. Write down 3 things you handled well in your last relationship. This isn't about what went wrong. It's about recognizing your strength. Try it today, and you'll see why this is effective. Moving on to step 3, the vulnerability blueprint. I know many of you are thinking, I don't want to get hurt again. But here's the truth. Protecting yourself too much is just as damaging as not protecting yourself enough. We need to find that sweet spot. Let me break this down with a real example. One of my clients started with something simple, telling a trusted friend about her fears around dating again. Small steps like this build your vulnerability muscle without overwhelming you. Step 4, the boundary master plan. This is where things get interesting. Having boundaries isn't about building walls. It's about creating healthy filters. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Here's what works. Start with one non-negotiable boundary. Maybe it's not accepting last-minute dates or requiring clear communication. Pick one and stick to it. This builds your confidence and shows others how to treat you. Finally, step 5, the new experience strategy. If you keep doing what you've always done, you'll keep getting what you've always got. But don't worry, I'm not telling you to completely change your life. Start small. Try this. Choose one new activity this week. It doesn't have to be dating related. The point is to expand your comfort zone gradually. This creates natural opportunities for new connections. Let's make this super practical. Here's your action plan for this week. Write down those 3 strengths I mentioned. Share one honest feeling with someone you trust. Set one clear boundary. Try one new experience. Now I know some of you are thinking, but what if I'm not ready? That's exactly why these steps work. They meet you where you are. You can't rush healing, but you can take small steps forward. Remember, opening your heart again isn't about forgetting the past. It's about learning from it. These steps work because they honor where you've been while creating space for where you're going. I've created something special for you, a detailed guide that dives deeper into each of these steps. The link is in the description, but I'll be honest, I'm not sure how long I'll keep this guide available, so make sure to download it today. Which step resonates most with you right now? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every comment, and I love hearing about your journey. Ladies, you're not starting over. You're starting fresh, with more wisdom and strength than before. I can't wait to hear about your progress. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more dating and relationship advice. I share new strategies every week to help you create the love life you deserve.